Hi, Greg here. I wanted to make a short screencast to show everyone how to get started in GoReact. This is the new video platform that we're going to be using this year, and it's got a number of features that are really nice to be able to use when you're teaching the class and also when you're a supervisor and you need to watch your students work. So the first thing you're going to do is go to the GoReact website and you're going to log in. And as long as you log in with your alaska.edu, what's happening then is on their end, they notice that email extension and they recognize that it's from UAF and that we have that permission through the School of Education. So go ahead and create a password, create the password that you need, and then go ahead and log in. Okay. Once you log in, what you have to do is to set up your courses so that your students can get invited into your course. Now, on the elementary side, Diane has done a little different thing, so you might want to check with Diane before you do this. But here's what I would expect, or what I would coach people to do. So over here in courses, make sure that it's the current courses. I don't know that whether it's a default past or current or future, but make sure that when you click on this courses menu that you pull down and you go to current. Now you're not going to have anything listed. What you have to do is create the course. So you come down here to create the course, and for instance, if it's, Ed 205, you just create that course and then do your start date, do your end date, and you're good to go. Okay, so that's what I've already done. That's why I have these three courses, the three courses that I'm teaching right here. Okay, so that's all there is to that. You log in, get your password, and populate your courses. And I'll come along with a second screencast in a few minutes.